This is the line dance walkthrough for In the Line of Duty. There are some modifications for the turn, but first let's get started with the right foot. We start with out, in, out, and step. Left side, out, in, out, and step. All right, easy enough. Let's do it again. Out, in, and step. Out, in. I'm going to add on. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going around the room. All right. 4 steps, 3 walls. Out, in, and step. Out, in, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and slide. I'm sliding to the left. Okay. So I slide to the left and then I roll my right hip twice. All right, let's take it from the top. Here we go. Out, in, step. Left, in, step 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Next is a slide to the left. Roll the hip. Now we're going to add on a point move. I call it a clock. Right foot. Left foot. Let me explain what we're doing. We're pointing like 12, 3, then we sailor and turn. 12, 3, sailor and turn, then 12, 9, sailor, turn back. That's how you remember that, okay? So here we go. Let's take it from the top. How about that? 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, in, and step. Out, in, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Then slide, slide, roll. Good. Now point, clock. 1, 2, sailor and turn, point left, and sailor, turn back, and up. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the turn sequence, but there is a modification. Turn again. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's your 1.5 turn. And you're going to step up and turn back for 3. And then you're just going to walk up. 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole dance. Those are all the steps. And you start over, right? Okay. So let's talk about the turn with a modification for you. In case you can't turn. Step up. Turn half. 1, 2, 3. Then walk. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Step up. Half turn back. 1, 2, 3. Then walk. Right, left, and start over. Out, in, and step. Out, in, and step. And then you make your way around the wall again, right? 4 times. Then you're going to slide to your left. Then roll your hip. Then you're going to do the clock on the right, and clock on the left with the sailor. Then you're going to step up, half turn, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. That's the modification. Step up, half turn, walk it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you with the original turn. All right. Step up, 1, 2, 3, half, 4, 5, 6, full, 7, and 8, half. Step up. Turn back, 1, 2, 3, walk up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start over. That's the whole dance. Thank you for watching.